Welcome back to a new video. I'm going to try my best to look at the actual camera itself and not myself over here. So wish me the best of luck. I have my tea. Ooh, it's too hot. Let me not do that on camera. And I also have my Travis Scott figures from the Fortnite collab that he did. Let's get this open, shall we? Let's see. Is this the right way? Oh my gosh. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, you can actually see my setup right here through the reflection. How does it look? Looks very crappy, doesn't it? Well, let me take this off. Check it out. Looks good, looks good. This is the back. This has a little 3M to it. Not 3M, sorry, but it's reflective, like holographic. Looks pretty dope, looks pretty dope. Live in your world, rage in ours. That's pretty cool. And on the side, it has Fortnite in the same holographic font that shines. Change different colors. Same on this side here, and on the bottom, just has a whole bunch of warnings and so much more stuff that is not important to me. I'm not over this picture right here. Let me make sure you guys are actually getting a good look at it. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Holy crap. Look at it. Wow. And for you that don't know about this collab, he did a collab back in, I do believe it was March. It was like during quarantine. It may have been March, maybe even May. Ooh, I think it was April. April, he did a collab with Fortnite, and it was golden. It was the best Fortnite collab has ever done, and it was the best Fortnite event ever done as well. If you haven't checked it out, I might post it on this page right here if you are interested in seeing it. But if not, then you can just look at someone else's. But it was a dope event. They need to have more like it. Ooh, still hot. I like my mug. Elisa got it for me from Downtown Disney. This green part starts off black, and then when you put hot liquid in there, it turns green. Super dope. I love it. I'm super happy she got it for me, for real. Alright, well, let's finally take this off. Oh my goodness. What? Yo, this is so sick. Oh wow, you got Sicko Mode, you got T3500 right there. Right there in your face. Wow, these are nice size figures. I did not know they were going to be this size. Honestly thought they were going to be smaller than this. No lie. Wow, these are about 10 to 12 inches. I think they might be about 12 inches. I wish I had a ruler up here, but I think they're about 12 inches. Wow. Okay, so I'll let you guys just look at it while I talk. They look fantastic. I love the packaging. Overall, great unboxing. I wasn't expecting this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with him. I was getting them just because it's Travis Scott. You know, if they had any resale value, I would have definitely sold them, but I don't think they do, because this particular one, he released several times. He probably released it about 7 days. Each day he released something new, but this was always on the website to purchase, and it was a pre-order. Mind you, like I said, I ordered this in April, so and I'm just now getting it in the mail. So it was definitely a pre-order, so nobody would be left out. So at this point, I highly doubt anybody is going to be trying to get this for a higher price than what they actually were going for. But you never know. It's something to look into. If I don't want to keep them, I actually plan on starting a figures collection in my room. I'm going to set up some shelves to actually have some figures up that I like. And these are pretty dope. I think these are going to be good first figures in my room. You know, this is super sick, man. I think this guy right here, sicko mode, I think he like glows. I think he lights up when you put batteries in him, if he doesn't already have batteries in him. Yeah, I think his glow lights up like it does in the Fortnite game. But overall, great unboxing. I'm not going to completely open this up, obviously, for obvious reasons, because I might resell them, you know. But it's just good to look at. I will put it on the shelf and not open them. They're just there to admire. Detail wise, the details are excellent. The chains, they're stiff, but what do you expect? They're chains, you know. You don't really expect them to be loose like a real chain. Shoe details, everything is good. Everything looks good for the most part. I mean, honestly, it probably could have been better. I don't know. I've never spent $80, $80 to $200 or $300 on a figure. I haven't gotten to that point yet, and I don't know if I ever will. But I feel like this was a good first action figure, or just figure purchase for my soon-to-be collection. I think I'm going to wrap it up here because I honestly don't have anything else to talk about. I give the unboxing a 9 out of 10, or maybe about a 9 out of 10. Honestly, I take that back. I give this unboxing an 8 out of 10. I know unboxings can be, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not going to put it up that high. This unboxing was pretty cool. 8 out of 10. For the figures themselves, 9 out of 10. You know, I like these. I really do. The detail on them is magnificent, and I'm pretty sure if I took it out the box and turned the light on for that globe, I would be even more shooketh. You know what I mean? But I'm not. Like I said, that's for obvious reasons. But yeah, I'm going to end it here. I think this video is long enough, especially for this unboxing. My first unboxing on this channel here. Shoot, my first unboxing video ever made. So I'm going to end it here. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Don't be afraid to come down in the comments and say hello, or just tell me how much you enjoyed the video. I will appreciate that. I'm definitely going to reply back and like the comment as well. So please don't be afraid to go down to the comments, say something, smile, laugh, whatever you need to do. Please share your emotion or reaction to this video. Like I said, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.